Welcome to this lesson on the evolving career landscape in France. We'll look at the sectors where the smartest career opportunities are growing today. When you think of France, fashion and luxury brands probably come to mind. But what if I told you some of the fastest growing careers in France have nothing to do with either? Today's France is becoming a hub for innovation, technology, and sustainability. Industries such as artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data science, aerospace, renewable energy, and biotechnology are experiencing significant growth. France is also investing heavily in digital health, smart manufacturing, and AgriTech, creating exciting opportunities for international graduates. With global companies, research centers, and startup ecosystems spread across the country, students can access internships, industry projects, and career pathways in future focused sectors. This means international students have far more options than just fashion, hospitality, or luxury management. France's biggest opportunities are no longer limited to luxury brands. Explore emerging industries, build future ready skills, and unlock global careers in France. Start your global journey today. To recap, France is an innovation hub offering diverse pathways in tech and sustainability. Start your journey today with IAEC, India's trusted name in global education.
IAEC Consultants, Private Limited, guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.